Hi traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, I will show you one of the most important tools that you can add to your MetaTrader 5 platform. Okay, we're going to be looking at one of the best support and resistance indicators on MT5. Now, support and resistance form the backbone of technical analysis. All right, and these are the areas where price reacts either by bouncing, reversing, or breaking through. Okay, so when you understand these levels, you stop guessing and you start anticipating, right? And that is exactly what this indicator helps you do. So what makes this tool stand out? Instead of spending time, drawing your lines manually, I'm not saying that you can't draw your lines manually, Actually, it's good to learn the manual method of identifying support and resistance zones. It's actually great, all right? And I'm going to recommend that if you do not know how to identify support and resistance zones manually, you should actually learn that, okay? It's very important. But then, in addition to that, it's also good if you have a tool that can highlight these zones for you automatically as well, okay? Now, the indicator will do the heavy lifting for you. It automatically scans price history, identifies the strongest zones, marks them on your chart and all of that. That means you get a clearer view of where buyers and sellers are most active without clutter or confusion. Now let's just quickly head to our browser and let us download the support and resistance indicator for MT5. Just type in support and resistance MT5, okay, on your browser, support and resistance indicator MT5, right? And then we're going to download it from here. This site, Indicator Spot, is my go-to site for downloading custom indicators, right? It's a great site anyways. So now we're just going to download the indicator from that site, Indicator Spot. Okay, we are almost there. We're almost there, right? The web page is opening. We're just going to download the indicator. We're going to add it to our indicators library, and then we're going to make use of it on our MT5 terminal. I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. Okay, so fret not. Okay, we are almost there. We're almost there. All right, great. So now we're just going to click on the download button. Okay, just click on the download button here. All right, and you're going to wait for that to come out. Okay, so we're going to click on save. All right, after saving it, we're going to open the file. Okay, all right, so we're just going to follow the guidelines. There is a text document here. Okay, and now we have another site here. I'm just going to copy it, and we're going to go back to our browser. Okay, and we're going to open a new tab, and we're going to paste this link and click on your enter. All right, so we're going to go to the site that we are being directed to. Okay, so yeah, we're going to download for MT5. Okay, since we are using the MT5 platform, so you click on the download button. You can also decide to download this for MT4 if you want to use this particular indicator on MT4 as well. All right, so you click on download for MT5. You click on save. Okay, then click on open file. Now we're just going to copy this from here. We're going to go back to our MT5 terminal. We're going to click on file. We're going to click on open data folder. All right, and yeah, we are there, and we're going to go to MQL5. We are going to go to indicators. Yeah, we're going to go to examples. Yeah, and we're going to paste it in here, that file that we copied. All right, seems like I already have the file. Okay, I'm just going to replace. Okay, so just paste it in there. Okay, the support and resistance, and then we're going to go back to our MT5 terminal. we're going to open our navigator, all right, and just right click anywhere and click on refresh. The reason why we are refreshing is because we want the indicator to appear in the navigator. Okay, so now it has appeared. I'm just going to drag and drop. It's as easy as that. Okay, allow DLL imports, ensure that this is ticked. All right, and then, well, you can actually leave these to be the way they are. Just click on OK. All right, now as you can see, the indicator has appeared on the chart. All right, as you can see, adding this indicator to your MT5 platform is straightforward. After downloading and placing the file into your indicators folder, just go to your navigator and refresh it. All right, you don't necessarily need to start restarting your platform. Okay, you can decide to go through that route, but it's not necessary to restart your terminal. Okay, so once it is running, the question becomes, how do you apply it? And that's where things get exciting. Okay, this MT5 support and resistance indicator works on every time frame. If you are a short-term trader using maybe the 15-minute chart or even a lower chart, right, you can see the indicator is still gonna, plot your levels for you. Okay, it doesn't matter whether you are on the lower time frame or in higher time frame, maybe like 4 hours or daily chart, you're still gonna get, the indicator plotting those important levels for you. You can see, right, it's going to plot those important levels for you still. Okay, so this flexibility makes it useful for all types of traders. Now think about a situation where price is approaching a strong resistance level. Instead of entering blindly, you already know that it's an area where sellers have stepped in before, right? So that gives you the chance to wait for confirmation before making a move. On the flip side, if price is coming down toward the support, okay, you will know that buyers, for example, this blue is for support, right? And then the pinkish or reddish, color is for our resistance. So in this case, we actually had a false, well, it might not necessarily be a false breakout, but it kind of seems like a breakout from this zone, but price, you can see, rose back above. But we are not here to talk about false breakouts and breakouts. We're just here to talk about support and resistance, this support and resistance indicator. So basically, once price starts approaching a support zone, you have to get confirmation before taking your trade. Okay, you already know that buyers are around this zone, buyers are around this blue zone. So what you will do is, okay, let's just go to another time frame for now. Let us let's use, a very close example. So now this is a very close example. You can see that price got to this resistance zone and got rejected, but you need to always wait for confirmation. Okay, wait for confirmation once price gets to a resistance or once price gets to a support. Do not enter your trade blindly. Okay, don't enter blindly. So instead of entering blindly, you already know that it's an area where sellers have stepped in around the resistance. So that gives you a chance to wait for confirmation before making a move. On the flip side, if price is, approaching a support zone, all right, you know that buyers are around that zone. So you just have to wait for a confirmation before you take a buy trade. So it's like having a roadmap that shows you the high traffic areas of the market. One of the biggest advantages is that the indicator updates automatically. So as new price action forms, it recalculates and adjusts the levels, right? Keeping you afloat of price and support and resistance zones, that are near your current price. Okay. Now, another tip, don't use this indicator in isolation. Okay. Support and resistance becomes even more powerful when they align with other signals. For example, if a candlestick pattern forms right at a marked resistance zone, just like what we had here, all right, or if maybe a moving average lines up with maybe a support level, right? Like what we can see happen here. If you where this moving average lined up with this blue support level, okay? So that means that the trade setup is often stronger when you see a confirmation. So combining tools is a smart way to build confidence in your decisions. The bottom line is the support and resistance analysis doesn't have to be complicated. With the best MT5 support and resistance indicator, you have clean charts, accurate zones, and a much clearer picture of what is happening in the market. But remember, an indicator might not necessarily be the best indicator for everyone. Okay, so just consider this indicator one of the valuable indicators that you can consider adding to your trading toolkit. All right, it doesn't matter whether it's the best for you or not, but it's actually a valuable indicator that you can consider taking advantage of. So if this breakdown helped you, remember to click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so you'll never miss out on latest tutorials, strategies, and trading tools designed to help you trade smarter. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video. Happy trading.